Alright, so I do not know what's in this thing. What does it say? It says Core i7 inside. So I'm gonna guess it's got an i7. It's got this weird little thing here. It's a little metal dragon, tiger, cougar looking thing. There's a bunch of weird stuff in here. And this has 8 slots of RAM. What I had read about it, it's not a server, but it's actually a quad channel gaming board. It's a Gigabyte X299 Aorus Gaming 3. And I wasn't aware of this particular name. I don't know, it's got some weird screws. I don't like those screws. They look like they're seated screws. The power cord is inside of it. And they pulled the video card out and they charged extra for the video card. The video card was just as much as the tower. There must have been some SSDs over here or something, and there's this little card here which I'm not really sure what it is. I don't know what it would be for. Maybe running something else. So we can see all 3 of these have been opened and none of them over here, which is really strange. Would somebody just run 3 sticks of RAM in a computer that has 8 slots and not even in the correct channel? I don't think. So DDR4, 2C, 1C, 2D, 1D. Okay. So you got 1D and 1C repopulated, and 1 and 2D. Maybe they only had 2 sticks in it, I don't know. So this should be A and B. I can't read anything here. There's no letters above this one. And the socket is a 2066. So this has got to be some kind of newer Redux by, what does it say, NVIDIA? Noctura or whatever. Wow, cool. So this is interesting. So we have these here unplugged. I don't know where they go. I don't know why they're unplugged. Maybe it's possible. I don't see any other hidden drives. See the caddy for the drives, and I'm gonna guess. So we got socket. Oh, we just have there's no socket, it's just a cable and a connection. So that would probably be where these 2 are going, but maybe not. You have these spots here, but I don't know if anybody would ever use these because they don't show signs of having a drive in them. So, and this one, if you look at the other ones, they're covered in dust, and this one's not. I just find it hard to believe that somebody would have ran this 2 terabyte. So maybe. You 2 fans here, 1 fan up here. We got the magnetic piece here. It's kind of cool. I don't know why there isn't more fans at the top. Usually guys go nuts with the fans. Do you have another spot? There's no fan there. I mean, this thing has got the potential to have a whole lot more fans. Maybe you don't really need them, I don't know. But if you have a case with all that crap, why not? There's LEDs right here. The board probably lights up too. We get thermal take fans. So let's see. So this is the video card, and it's an MSI. It's kind of strange. It only has a limited amount of ports on it. It should be 6 gigabytes. So it's going to be a 1060 6GT OCV1, whatever, GeForce. So I think the 6 means 6 gigabytes. So we'll put that back in here probably, and something got spilled on here. Kind of nasty. It's like dried coffee or something. So I don't know what kind of power supply is in here. It's really strange, this enclosure around the power supply. Really think that this is a server case, but so the power supply, I think you'd have to undo something down here and then pull this piece out. Nice little tabs right there. So it's kind of neat how they have the power supply, but I don't know. We'll have to pull the other side and take a look. So there's 2 M.2 slots that I can tell. I don't think there would be more than that. So I would say that this is probably the best one I've ever found. Or just the layout of the board, being able to put 8 sticks of RAM in it. Although, you know, you really need 8 matched sets. Or not sets, you need a set of 8 that are all matched, really, for optimal. And I do not have that, so that's kind of a bummer that this didn't come with that. And maybe they were removed, maybe they ended up in somebody's pocket. I don't know what this is. It is another LED of some such. Looks like one here. Or maybe a photo sensor. Kind of looks like a photo sensor. Yeah, it does. I don't know what else is going to be in here.